Admissions are open for the academic year 2025 to 2026. For girl students, for classes 9 to 12, GCSE, ICSE, CBSE and SSC in Maths, Physics, English and Basic Electrical Engineering and other electrical engineering subjects. Why should you choose this for your tuition classes? Because I have 7+ years of tutoring experience. I have taught more than 500+ students. I have given 100% pass result and 100% positive feedback from students and parents. So if you are interested, you can contact me on my email ID fatimamohammed@gmail.com or on my WhatsApp 8297798317. Before doing that, you can fill out the Google form which I have in the next slide and which I will link in the description box of my YouTube channel. So if you or anyone you know is struggling in maths or science or who wants to become better in their studies, who wants to become a topper or who wants to improve their English communication, please don't hesitate to share this video with them and please fill out the Google form and contact us and take admissions with us and start seeing changes in your results, start seeing better your performance. 100% your performance will become better if you choose this for your tuition classes. So join us. Our results speak for us. See the dedication, the energy, the time, the effort I have put to teach all my students have paid me well in these last 7 years. So now I'm still continuing to teach you all online classes. So fill the form and join now.